Number 8, individual day. Do not waste a single minute of this day of material success. Awaken to a day of all good things and get at it with a wonderful attitude of positivity, for this can be one of the most financially successful days of your cycle. The number 8 revolves around business and financial matters and bodes them well for them if you put your best efforts into them. Determination and newfound energy will be bestowed upon you to give you the power to do so. If you have been working hard on a project, this could well be the day to start accumulating the wealth you have been hoping for. Expend all your energies toward improving your finances, even if it means spending a day with an employer in order to secure either a salary increase or promotion. Seek out opportunities and grasp at any offers that come your way. Make a point of seeing people who can help you, and don't hesitate to ask for that position you want. Ask with confidence and courage, and you are bound to either get it now or at least pave the way for it in the near future. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. Give your affairs serious thought and see if you have not perhaps been overlooking certain possibilities to either make more money or make what you do have go further. Rearrange the affairs that have not proved successful and start putting those funds into something else that can bring you more profit. Investments will be well favored today, as well as making or taking out a loan if it is to be used to further your success. In all your dealings, you will have to exercise tact, diplomacy, and consideration so that you don't step on toes, which could make matters go against you. Dealings with charities would also be a good idea, for the power of the 8 also revolves around helping others, even if it is only kind advice that will enable someone to better help themselves. Put some time into helping with the affairs of charitable groups if you cannot contribute it to its coffers. Intuition will be heightened today, so rely on it to give you the right direction in all you do, especially concentrating on money or business matters. This sounds mercenary, but it really is not. One must take advantage of the right time for everything, as destiny too has been prescheduled. So you are merely following instructions from a higher and more omnipotent power. Time for loved ones and time to make the most of your appearance must be found today. Fuss more than usual over both. Should you be visiting someone you care for, a good time to do so. Bring some thoughtful little gift to show your affection.